Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Umkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining me. Thank you so much for clicking to Umkosi Nophilile. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi subscribe. Mangaba ka subscribe, uya like video, uya share, uyafaka that notification bell on ngasacela ka subscribe. Yonke lento you guys yabuka ama ads ke mangaba yaqhamuka kusabuka video, allow them to run, ungawaskip. Into ezinjalo you guys ezisiza ukuthi sikhule as a channel. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for all your love and support you guys. Thank you very much. So kule video ke guys ngithanda ukuthi ngi-address video kaMama uLinda Sebezo engiyibona igijima around on social media. Kune video lana uMama uLinda Sebezo she's addressing abantu abahleli bekhuluma amanga ngaye nje lately I think kwakhulunywa ngokuthi ukhulele uMama uLinda Sebezo yonke lento yayingamanga you guys kwaba khona ezinye izinto kwamanje ke udaba ke luka Shoprite. I think kwabonakala laphana ke egrocer laphana ka Shoprite kanti uyabaza abantu amafans khona ke le challenge angazi challenge noma yini let's uyena you know on TikTok have you heard that uyena like mabe bona umuntu oyicelebrity osaziwa into kanjalo nje you guys bese ke bayamshoot video bese bayapost uzwe uyena just ukuthi okay ngimbonile ngempela uyena something like that. So ukhona umuntu wambona lapha egrocer ka Shoprite waseposta lolo daba lolo. So kuba khona inkulumo ke ukuthi ke engathi ke uyanyatswa nje ukuthi ube shopper ka Shoprite. Number 1 mina ngayibona inkinga ero ngo Shoprite. Shoprite ishop right kabi ndama celebrities you guys ayashoppa laphana eShoprite bayathenga nje oShoprite oCheckers oBoxer ayangena ama celebrities. Those shops are very good shops. So ke ngibona nje ngathi laphana kunokunyatseka la when it comes to Shoprite abantu bathathela iShoprite phansi. iShoprite ishop egood kabi bafethu yini kade inkinga ngoShoprite uthi mangabona nje celebrity lingena ka Shoprite wena kumele ubabazi uthi we ngambona ingena ka Shoprite into ikanjalo nje. I think yona into evelele uMama uLinda Sebezo abezigrosela ka Shoprite bambona ke nangu ke siya trenda ukuthi ke ube shopper ka Shoprite something like that. You guys akayithandanga ke leyo nto wase record video laphana ka TikTok ku page yakhe upostile ke laphana iclip ekhuluma ke ngalolu daba ithi ngudlalele le clip kaMama uLinda Sebezo bese siyabuya sizokhuluma.
Hi guys, bafethu ayabona manje ayiseniyala serious. Anisazi nifuna ukukhuluma ngani manje ufuna ukukhuluma ngabantu nikhuluma izinto ezingazi-understand nini ngicela ukuthi ngipregnant nini ngithi ngishonile nithi rest in peace manje into wrong manje ngishope eShoprite bafethu anisazi ukuthi nifuna ukukhuluma ngani serious. Is there anything wrong umuntu mangashope eShoprite? I'm a very simple person ke mina ke mina I believe ukuthi ngumuntu wabantu. That is why ngachuza lo msebenzi engiwuchuzile ukuthi ngi-entertain abantu. Ngeke ungibone kwezinye indawo dali. Ngeke ungibone la ngiyospend imali engaka. Sasa masingena la ku TV ngithe ngicela usizo nothi hayi. Abeka lokasebenza. So mangishophe eShoprite ikhona fish oil ebhaliwe ukuthi yase Shoprite yase Woolworths le yase Pick n Pay yakuphi. Madoda anisazi ukuthi nifuna ukuthini. Hayi noma sokuthiwa siyathula hayi manje nikhuluma kabi ngathi social media niyasibhulisha hayi niyasibhula hayi bafethu niyasibhula bese nithi sikhuluma too much so vele sithule sithi kubhlungu kuyazwela ngine-family mina ngilala ngidlile every day ngizothi ngicela ini hayi madoda hayi manje now you're getting too far. Ningeke nizosibhulisha social media. Nini rest in peace. Nini udle ifishi eDebeni wavuka enama tags eneskin tag. Yini lento enishoyo bafethu? Sinabantwana nabo bayazwela. Bekani ngisimple kanjani na ngikhupha necheese manje bengidla cheese ase Shoprite sempeteni mfudumele ngidla kamnandi nebona ukuthi ngidla namascopas ke ngintshela niyazi leyo ngiblome Soweto bekana manje ngilele ngebhandayi sempeteni faka ibhandayi kwami bafethu angene siyeke. Hayi siyekeleni madoda siyekeleni. Mina ngisimpule ke mangangixoxela yase Shoprite incane mani ufuna ukuthi nginixoxele ukuthi mina ngibloma phi ngibloma eSoweto kwezinye indawo emahashahasheni ngomnyama ndawo ningihande nizothola ke impilo yami ngiyanincintsha njengoku niyangilandelela hayi hlukanani nami nina hayi hlukanani nami aha hawu
so mina umbuzo wami ukuthi kathi into errong ngoShoprite yini guys ama celebrities sicela ubuza ukuthi kathi bathenga phi like really come on uthenga phi as a celebrity kumele uyele ku Woolworths ko Truworths ko Chanel angazi wathi u Chanel nama ngiyazi phela ngiyayizwa leyo Chanel something like kumele bathenge phi you guys ikhona comment futhi ngiyibonile ngiyithandile Atele your comment, do you know ukuthi rich people don't buy kulawo ma expensive shops. Thina abantu abaphuwa ke singanalutho. Udade uzothi usuthola 5,000 rands uvele nje ubone ukuthi hayi nginemali ngempela uvele ugijimele kulawo ma shop uyothenga itekila 4,000 tekila 5,000. Rich people don't do that. Rich people bayakwazi ukuyonga imali yabo bayangena ko Shoprite ko Box abazigrosele umzulu mama mayithi ngisimple ka uthi ngisimple ka futhi ngiyawadla namascopers bayawadla amazimba la sathenga amascopers yonke lento oyenzayo yazi ukuthi umuntu oyicelebrity uyayenza yini wrong ngokubonakala ka Shoprite ethenga ka Shoprite hayi bafethu kodwa nami ngivumelana naye asisayazi into ukuthi asisazazi into zokukhuluma ngazo like desperation of content angazi ukuthi ngathi yini what was wrong with her shopping ka Shoprite when I tell you, Shoprite is a very good shop. Can't you? Why started up as Shoprite? Or Shoprite or Box and you Pick n Pay. Lawa ma shop ungahamba kula ma shop unje uzohlangana nawo ama celebrities. Ngakutshela mina ukuthi where I stay is a very like indawo ephansi kabe ngeke ngicompare nje nabo asithi jo Auto 4 ways or what kodwa sengike ngabona a few celebrities ema shopping ikhona mina ngike ngabona chemistry engena nje lapha chemistry someone was saying he stays around na iyothenga lapha ecosha nathi sicosha bathenga la sithenga khona bafethu a shop is a shop kumele angenephi umuntu wenkosi ngoba wena umbuka ka TV asibeke kanje uma ngivuka nje ngamanje ngiyemsebenzini umama ulinda sebezo sengiyasho nje ngoba sikhuluma ngaye any celebrity naye uvuka kwakhe embedeni wakavuke lapha geza ayemsebenzini the only difference ukuthi wena umbona ka screen sakho that is the only difference kodwa uvuke emsebenzini njengawe awu yapheka ipapadle njengawe same thing ageze ngensipho njengawe like seriously like what is the difference between you no celebrity it difference ukuthi wena usumbuka ku screen sakho every day ke siyababuka lapha kuma soapies and everywhere else but impila baziphila izafana nje nalezi siziphilayo nathi there is no difference you guys abanye bazawagibela ibhasa emsebenzini abizi Uber emsebenzini something like that into engiyenzayo nami every day guys like umahluko ukuphi so like ungabona nje ngafanisa na uphi nje celebrities Dingani Mukibe sorry Dingani Khumalo ngamjayela ngudingani Mukibe I'm sorry ungahlangana nje ebhasini kumele babazi ukuthi ngibone ebhasini ubufuna wena umuntu ahambe ngemoto or ubufuna ahambe emoyeni or somewhere ahambe emoyeni njengahambe ngalezi zinto nesihamba ngazo simply because he's a celebrity guys come on man celebrities are just humans like us bayangena la singena khona sungahlala naye public toilet something like that nje sihambela the difference ukuthi wena umbuka ku screen sakho ngoba usebenza lapha abalingisa khona lapha but uvuka kwakhe naye ayemsebenzi njengawe nje uya ku company yakho or shop ye restaurant noma uyakuphi naye uvuke lapha beyolingisa lapha wena uvuka uyokwenza lokho ukwenza ngazi nenzani ke kuleyo company osebenza kuyo ubona bayolingisa bese wena umbona ku screen what is the difference udla lento idlayo ugeza ngalento ugeza ngayo nawe same thing phela nje ukuthi ama salaries wethu awafani kuya ngemsebenzi ukuthi usebenza umsebenzi onjani kanjani there is no difference bafowethu what was wrong with uMapping on Shoprite nalento yokuthi nantrendisa ukuthi ukhulelwe mina I was like really ubaba ukhulelwe all the lies that she is addressing ukuthi bafethu anisazi into engakhuluma ngayo nini nathi ngitheni nini nawe nathi ngathi hayi lokhu ngiyakubona manje senithi ngithenga ka Shoprite ngithengephi like seriously hayi bafethu kodwa uye address akumama leyo ndaba you guys as you saw the video asiyeke umhlezi njalo si expect into ezinkulu from ama celebrities they are also humans like us benza lezi zinto esizenzayo phela nje ukuthi thina sibabona kuma TV screens wethu kodwa bayafana njengathi baphila impilo ezifana nezethu no difference at all asiyekele ukuthi masibabona njalo sebashoot uyena nibashoota futhi bengafuni abafethu kodwa but anything so much ukuyibukela le video ulike usubscribe ushare so bese sibona futhi kwenye landelayo bye